baby. Come on, Hagrid. Let's go. Come on. Fly. Come on. Let's go. Fly. Fly. Come on, fly. Fly, mommy. Come on, let's go. Let's go outside. Come on. Come on. But I refuse. And I turned 21 in prison, doing life without parole. No one could steer me right, but alright, you can stay in here then. We're bleeding eye behind.